Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PlayStation 4 controller with the Dolphin GameCube emulator. First, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your computer. You can use a USB cable for a direct connection or pair it wirelessly via Bluetooth. Ensure your computer recognizes the controller as a standard gamepad. Then, download and install the latest stable version of the Dolphin emulator from its official website. This initial step ensures your hardware and software are ready for configuration. Once Dolphin is open, navigate to the controller's menu, usually found at the top. Under the GameCube controller section, you will see several ports. For port 1, select Standard Controller from the drop-down menu. This tells Dolphin that you'll be using a traditional GameCube-style input. After selecting Standard Controller, click the Configure button right next to it. This action will open a new window where you can precisely map your PlayStation 4 controller's inputs. In the controller configuration window, locate the device dropdown. Select your PlayStation 4 controller, which often appears as D-input/0/wireless controller or similar. Now, for each GameCube button listed, click on it and then press the corresponding button on your PlayStation 4 controller. Carefully map the analog sticks, the D-pad, and all shoulder buttons, including L1, R1, L2, and R2, for precise control. Take your time to ensure every input is correctly assigned. After meticulously mapping all the buttons and analog inputs, click the OK button to save your new configuration. It is crucial to save your settings before closing the window. Now, load up your favorite GameCube game within Dolphin to thoroughly test your PlayStation 4 controller setup. Play for a few minutes to ensure all buttons respond as expected. If any controls feel off, simply return to the configuration menu to adjust sensitivity or dead zones for a perfect gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.